Hi, LCC community. My name is Erin Sullivan, Executive Director of GLIA Connect, an advocacy group supporting those living with microgliopathies, which are rare genetic neurodegenerative diseases caused by microglial cell dysfunction. We overlap with your community as our diseases are also considered to be leukodystrophies. I have been honored to participate in various panel presentations through the years. Primarily, I have shared our community's experience with FDA engagement in hopes of demystifying FDA interactions. A current GLIA CTN-sponsored project that I and others in this video are involved in is writing a manuscript detailing experiences with the FDA from within leukodystrophy communities. Alongside of this manuscript, we are also creating and curating a toolkit to aid others in their engagement with the FDA.
Hello, my name is Melody Kaiser. I'm the Advocacy Co-Chair for the GLIA CTN, and I'm also the Director of Advocacy and Education for the family's SCN2A Foundation. Most importantly, I'm a rare disease sister and a member of the leukodystrophy community through my brother, who passed away from a rare form of adult-onset leukodystrophy called ALSP.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah Stoney. I'm a pediatric medical social worker at Children's Hospital Philadelphia, where I have the honor of working with children and families affected by complex neurologic and rare genetic conditions. My role at CHOP as a social worker is really to help families navigate not only the medical journey, but also the emotional, practical, and psychosocial challenges that come with a rare disease diagnosis. I also serve as the patient advocacy liaison for GLIA, which is the Global Leukodystrophy Initiative Clinical Trials Network, where I work to ensure that voices and experiences of patients and families remain central to research and clinical care.
Consistency. This is a word I lean into a lot as a rare disease caregiver and patient advocate. This journey, whether you are a patient, a caregiver, a doctor, a researcher, requires consistency. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Meaningful progress takes consistent time and effort. Patients living with rare diseases show strength and courage each day, finding joy in each new stage. Caregiving takes steadiness and endurance. You show up when you're exhausted. You live in love and compassion even when grief threatens to overwhelm you. Doctors provide consistent care in the face of unstable symptoms and uncertain prognosis. Researchers follow the steady path of science, testing each hypothesis, analyzing data, and pushing for better disease understanding and treatment. Consistency. This is a word I cling to as I navigate the long days, slow progress, uncertainty, and grief that comes from living with a rare disease. Consistency is a powerful companion that generates progress and evokes hope.
Networking. It is all about who you know and who you can bring along on your journey. And my favorite part of rare disease advocacy is when I have the opportunity to bring people together. My friends call me Cupid. I love to make these relationship connections, and they are so genuine and they are so beneficial for everybody involved. I don't connect people for the sake of connecting. I don't use people as currency, but I do love to genuinely learn about individuals and their skills and their assets and their needs. And then when I have a chance to make a connection where both parties are really happy to know each other, that just brings just a tremendous amount of joy to me, but more importantly, it brings the right people together who are already excited to work together because they know that the connection was handmade for them. It's not just putting people together, but it's identifying people who have a need and identifying people who have something to give to help their need. And those beautiful, genuine connections are what rare disease advocacy is all about.
Having worked in rare disease for over a decade, I would say one of the biggest lessons that I've learned through my work at CHOP and also with GLIA is that in rare disease, we don't have the luxury of working in silos. No single person or organization can move the field forward alone. really recognizing that real progress happens when families, clinicians, researchers, advocacy organizations, industry partners, when we all work together, share knowledge openly, and recognize that there's value in each perspective that's brought to the table. I've seen firsthand that some of the most meaningful advances happen when we stop thinking about our work and start thinking about our community. Collaboration isn't just beneficial in rare disease, it's truly essential.
I'll leave you with these thoughts. You are not alone. At the LCC Foundation, you have found a community that is here to make sure you never feel alone, to offer a listening ear, advice, resources, support, community, connection, and hope. Your voice has power. Every story spoken raises awareness of the burdens of living with a rare disease. Every experience shared pushes science forward. Every voice raised guides research and shapes treatments. Research needs you. Scientific breakthroughs happen when patients, families, and researchers move forward together. Community is strength. I have heard Ashley say this before. Together, we turn rare into remarkable. And this is your rallying cry. LCC, your rare community, is working together, building authentic, supportive relationships, and advocating for better treatments. You are taking the rare disease that has affected your life, and together you are building something remarkable. Offering support so no one walks this journey alone, raising awareness so this disease does not get overlooked, and adding to research so that good treatments can be found and utilized.
Since Ashley Dyke first started the LCC Foundation and joined the GLIA CTN, I have been exceptionally impressed with how much she and Dr. Jamie Fraser have been able to quietly accomplish. LCC Foundation isn't huge, it isn't loud or flashy, but it is a model of determination, efficiency, collaboration, and achievement. Can't think of another group that has been able to accomplish as much as LCC Foundation has done in such a short period of time. Ashley has masterfully assembled an incredible network of mentors, collaborators, and partners, setting the LCC community on a perfect path toward the goal line. You know those cute graphics that are used to explain the difference between a tornado watch and a tornado warning? I'm going to use the same one to describe what I'm witnessing with the LCC community. Most rare disease communities take many years to assemble the ingredients needed to support new treatment discovery or drug development efforts. I work with dozens of advocacy groups at all levels of maturity, and I can confidently say this. Get ready, LCC community. You are officially under an exciting development watch. Everything that you need for tacos is on the table. Get ready to take your seat. Congratulations on your first conference, and thank you for inviting me to be part of this very exciting day.
My message to the LCC community is simply this: your voice matters. Every family that shares their story, participates in research, supports another caregiver, or advocates for better care is helping to move this field forward. Working with families has taught me that progress isn't measured only by scientific breakthroughs. It's also measured by the strength of a community that we get to build together. Thank you all for your resilience, for your partnership, for your expertise, and your willingness to show up and keep showing up for one another. Together, you're creating hope for not only today's families, but for generations to come.